Hey guys, it's me Stace. I'm back again today with another Cricut video. We're also doing our Make It on Monday project, and today we're making this super cute and really easy pop-up camper card. Hopefully you guys can see that there on the dimension. There's a side view. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on sign in. Once you are signed in on this screen, we're going to go down until we get to the card category. Then click on view all. In the search box in the upper right hand corner, type in the word graduation and then click on enter. The card we are making is this one here. It is called the Graduation Adventure Pop-Up Card. I'm going to click on customize. So it has the card pieces and also the envelope. I'm not cutting out the envelope, so I'll delete this piece and the envelope flap as well. So we have the card base, we have the actual pop-up piece, this pink piece here, and then these pieces go behind this. Now the card base is supposed to be acting as the outside of your card and also the inside of your card. When your card is closed, you will see the marker message that says, now that you're a grad. If you don't want to have that on there, you can right click on the card base and choose detach. Double click on the text. Little pop-up box appears and you can type in whatever you want. In my case, I'm leaving that blank, so when I fold my card in half, the outside of my card will be blank. Now we have this piece here. I'm going to right click on that and choose send to front. If you bring it over and put it on the top part of the card, you can see it fits there perfectly, lining up with the score mark and the edges of the card. The bottom piece here, the yellow piece, I'm going to right click on that and choose move to front. You'll see this one lines up perfectly on the bottom piece. In my case, I'm going to not cut this piece out. If you want to, you could. I'm just going to cut my card base out in a piece of blue cardstock and then put this piece on top so my camper will have like a little blue background. Then these pieces, the orange pieces here, go behind the windows. The dark gray goes behind that striped line. So I'm going to go to remove that piece. I'm not cutting that out. Upper right hand corner, click on Make It. So we have the card base, the piece that goes behind the stripes on the camper, the window pieces, and the actual camper itself. The camper does use the marker tool for the words let the begin. The word adventures does cut out. I'm going to go to click on continue, cut it out, go to the table, and put our card together. Alright guys, we are back. Everything is cut out. I do have my mat here. When I cut out this piece last, I did save the inside letters because we'll need them to attach it to the card. So first take your card base, fold that in half, crease on the score mark. So we have that piece there. I'm going to go ahead and figure out how this goes. So there's score marks right below the tires. I'm going to score those upward. Okay, like that. Then we have a score mark right here. I'm going to go ahead and fold that one down. This actually is pretty easy. There's a score mark right there. So that looks like it's going to go like that on the card. Okay, if you can see that, that's kind of what it looks like. Okay, alright, so that seems pretty easy. So what I'm going to do is flip this over. Before I glue it down, I want to put the pieces on. So we have the gray piece here that goes behind that stripe. So I'm going to grab some glue. I'm flipping it over to the back side. Grab my glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. Just put a really thin line around that piece here. Okay, then put this piece down. This is actually a really easy card to put together. If you want to, you can leave it. I did that wrong. As I say easy card, I mess up. Oh no, I didn't do that wrong. Okay, so I guess this one goes here. Yeah, okay, yeah. You don't want to put it on the door. Alright. This is, I left the wording off of it for the outside of the card where it said the grad part. This would be really cute for if you have a camper, like for a camper party type thing. So you can see we have the gray there. Now to put the yellow, the darker yellow behind the windows. You can, of course, if you want to, use acetate to give it that more transparent look. Do I have a piece? I was going to try it. I don't have a piece near me, but you can certainly try that. Okay, that would, I think, would be fun. Alright, our last one's going to go over here, so you want to leave the door part without anything on it. Okay, and that's going to go here. Alright, now if you want to, again, you can cut out that piece that goes here and make it be like a cloud paper or what have you. I'm leaving it blank. Okay, so again, it's going to fold like that. Okay, So I'm going to flip it over carefully. I don't want to tear it. And glue this part down. Okay, just put glue all around this part here. And you want to try to have your glue go all the way to the edge. And I do recommend a wet glue here, so it gives you time to wiggle if you need to. Okay, now I'm going to take it and line up this part with the bottom part of my card, kind of holding it up in the air, just to get it lined up where I want it to go, and then I'll set it down. Okay, like that. So that is glued. I'm going to flip it over and go to the back side. A little bit of rub. If you have a little bit extra hanging off the sides, you can certainly cut it off. Okay, alright, so we have that. Now I need the inside of my letters. So I have my letter A on my mat still. Take this piece, just put a little dollop of glue behind it just to hold it down, and then put that in the center of the A. Oop, I have glue on my fingers, which does not help. Okay, then we have the D, and then the R. So if you're going to cut this piece last, make sure you save these or put them on, leave them on your mat so you don't lose them. And this is the Stampin' Up! Cardstock. The blue is Pacific Blue. This is, what is this one? Crushed Curry. And the behind the windows is Mango Melody, I think is what it's called. And the gray is the Gray Granite. Okay, if you have like a pretty sky paper, you can certainly add that behind on this piece here. But in my case, I just left it blank. Okay, so we have that. All right, now we're going to take this and glue this. So have the card folded like that. You want to kind of test to make sure that it's going to all work. Okay, so I'm just going to take it and line it up there. So my card's folded. Okay, so actually it's easier just to leave it like that. So fold the camper. Okay, just put glue on this piece here. That way it's easier. Okay, so put glue on this part. Okay, have this folded. So you see that is folded. Then lay it down. Okay, that way it's going to line up perfectly where we want it, so the card will lay flat when opened, but when like this, it pops up. And it also goes like that. Okay, so again, I'm going to give it a squish. Again, if you want to change that text, you can certainly change that to be whatever you want. You open the card, and then you have the pop-up. Let me go and open that door, because I do know the door opens a little bit. There's a score mark there. Okay, so you're going to open the door, and it gives it that really fun 3D look. Super cute little card. I do like that a lot. Okay, this can be used for so many things. I think it'd be perfect for you going on a, going camping. For like if you have a birthday party that's camping themed, a really fun card to give to the birthday boy or girl. Lots of things you can do with it. But anyway, there you have it, our super simple pop-up card Making on Monday project. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.